Hello friendlies, and welcome back to my channel. This is work log number 20 in my Demon Hunter series. And since you've seen me paint quite a few things now, I'm really going to speed through this and just briefly explain what I'm doing. With the base colors in place, I first brush on a few layers of the gold paint. Then, to add that depth and dimension I'm so crazy about, I take a reddish brown and put that along the edges of the armor and into the battle damage. To add some depth to the top-facing surface, I take a watered-down red-brown and layer that on the outer edges of the piece. Then I mix white and gold and paint that in the middle of the gold paint to really bring the top forward. I had so many teeth and claws to paint an ombre on this time, but similar to my past pieces, I just work in shades of brown to make the teeth look really aged and grungy. Here's the full effect of the teeth painted. Next, it's time to start working in the center details. I first take a gray color and paint that over the black. Then, using a tiny flat brush, I draw back in the black straight lines that make up the details. I took care to keep each side as symmetric as possible. Now, using a lighter gray, I feather that in along the edges of the gray details, avoiding the middle to leave the dark gray exposed. After this step, touch up the black detail lines if you need to. The white highlights is what really makes this paint job come together. Following the reference pick and my own judgment, I paint on the white highlights. To finish this up, I highlight the metallic gold paint with a light silver. I make sure to hit all the edges and also the edges of the battle damage to really make those details pop. Here's the reveal! I love the contrast between the finished and unfinished piece. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye!